In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Freshsales. Custom fields are useful when you need to store information that Freshsales doesn't include by default. For example, you might want to track things like customer type, notes, budget, preferred location, or product interest. In this walkthrough, we'll create custom fields for contacts, but the same general process can also be used for deals and accounts. Start by logging into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the admin settings. This is where you manage system-level configurations, including the fields that appear on your records. From the settings area, go to Leads, Contacts, and Accounts, then click on Contacts. This opens the contact form settings, where you can customize the information your team collects and stores for each contact. Now click Add Field. Freshsales supports a variety of custom field types, including text, text area, number, checkbox, radio button, dropdown, date picker, multi-select, formula, lookup, and auto number fields. Choosing the right field type is important because it helps keep your data clean and consistent. For the first example, select dropdown. A dropdown field is helpful when you want users to choose from a fixed set of options instead of typing freeform text. Click Add Selected to continue. In the field label, type customer type. The field label is the name your team will see when viewing or editing a contact. Then add the choices new and old. These will become the selectable options in the dropdown. Once that's done, click Save. Next, let's add another field. Click Add Field again, and this time select Text Field. A text field is best for short written entries that may vary from one contact to another. Click Add Selected, then enter Customer Notes as the field label. This is a good option when you want a simple field for brief custom information. After that, click Save. Now let's add one final field for this example. Click Add Field again and select Checkbox. A checkbox field works well for yes or no information, or when you simply want to mark whether something applies to a contact. Click Add Selected, then type VIP Customer as the field label. This makes it easy for your team to quickly identify high-priority contacts. When you're finished, click Save, and that's it. You've now created custom contact fields in Freshsales using a drop-down, a text field, and a checkbox. These kinds of fields can make your CRM much more tailored to your workflow and help your team capture the exact information they need. You can use this same process with deals and accounts as well. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.